The X320 is a rugged indicator designed for harsh environments, which makes it a popular choice in its class. In this video, we're looking at the check weighing feature and how it works. A short press of the F key will show you your over and under values. Currently, they're not set, so long pressing the F key will get you into the menu where you can set the over and the under. Using the select key and the print key, you can edit the values. Pressing the F or OK key will enter the value. In addition to the check weighing lights, you also have 3 outputs that can be utilized on the back of the indicator. Here you can see the check weighing lights as well as the annunciators below the displayed weight. Now we'll take a look at setting this up. Enter into full setup using your thumbs. Once there, press the 0 key until spec is displayed. At spec, press the tare key until key.fn is showing. Then press select to enter that menu. Here you'll need to press the print key repeatedly until you see check.w as shown. This will select check weighing assigned to the F key. Then press the OK key, then press 0 until you see check.w. Here, press the tare key to show enable, press the select key to show off or on. Toggle it to on using the print key. Press the OK key, then press 0 until you see end. OK will save and exit.